ka na mag-iisa ngayon at kailanman. Sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama ka, sinta. Naroroon ako tuwi na maaasahan mo, tuwi na ngayon at kailanman. Dahil kaya sa'yo nang maitadhanang ako'y isilang sa mundo, upang sa araw-araw ay siyang makapiling mo, upang ngayon at kailanman ikaw ay mapaglingkuran. Hirang, bakit labis kitang mahal? Pangalawa sa may kapal, higit sa aking buhay.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong.
Hello, Mari, pare. Hello, Marian, pare. Happy wedding anniversary. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Imagine naku, 55 years na pala. Ang bilis, no? Parang kailan lang. I wish you both many, many happy years together. And malapit na birthday mo, Mari ko. Advance happy birthday come July 10. I wish you good health, long life, and more blessings. Take care. I love you both, Mari and Pare. Miss you all.
Mang Jan, Aling Marcia, happy anniversary!
Daddy Ray, Mommy Ruby,
Happy 50th wedding anniversary!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, we miss you!
Visit po kayo dito ulit.
Mommy and Daddy, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. So I wish you both good health and always be happy in whatever you do. May you continue to show your love to each other every single day. Happy anniversary!
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Lola, Mommy, Lola, Daddy. I hope you have an amazing day. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo and magpalakas po kayo para makakain tayo sa Jollibee pag uwi namin.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. Lagi lang po kayo magpalakas. At mag-enjoy lang po kayo ngayong araw ng anniversary nyo. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Humayo po kayo at magpakarami. Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, with Daddy and Lola, Mommy. How are you? I love you.
See you soon.
I wish I could see you right now.
Happy anniversary. Sige, babe. Hi guys! Ito na naman tayo sa paggawa ng video na walang kakwenta-kwenta. Sorry, kasi hindi kami sanay gumawa ng video. Anyway, Ed, you first.
Happy anniversary, Mommy and Daddy, and sana marami pang anniversary ang dumating para sa inyo, and take care always.
Mga ilang years pa. Mga ilang
It's
years.
your turn.
Happy 55th anniversary, Mommy, Daddy. I think another chance for us. Hindi lang sa inyong dalawa, another chance sa ating lahat. For the whole family. Because we're not ideal family. We're not a typical family. But I think it's time for us to be better. Better for one another. And for Mommy, I know someday makakalimutan mo kami. But I know we will always be in your heart. And Dad, it's your chance na bigay lahat para kay Mommy. I'm happy na nakauwi kami last year. Sana makauwi kami din ulit, and then sana makumpleto tayo. Happy anniversary. I love you. I miss you.